Good evening everyone. I am here in Singis King. My friend is here. You have to talk in in an Indian language. Indian language. What? Indian language. You have to move your head like this. How are you? It's been a long time.
How are you, brother?
Okay. Okay kayo. Mastorya ka ng India pero siya Bisaya kayo. Kumusta na kayo, boy?
Okay lang ba?
Okay na ka, boy?
Okay lang. Okay kayo.
Kasi gahit na, boy. Itong pikha na, boy. Ito na, boy. Itong bagong likod. Ito, boy. Bago na
likod. Punta ka baba, butong likod mo.
Bago na. We're here because we're visiting my friend here and it's been a long time. And also we have a lot of different kinds of foods. And this is our visitors. How are you? They came from different parts of the world. This is Jeffrey. How are you, Jeffrey? It's been a long time. Yeah. And we have so. It's been a long time and it is very. This is unplanned meeting place and this is Sherwin.
Hello, my
You
friend.
have to talk to me because this is a blog.
Hello, my friend.
How are you? Are you having a 5-6 now?
No.
No more 5-6
I am
because
5'5".
no 5-5, 5-5-5-2 na. How about PG? How are you? Hello PG. Hello PG. Bye, 50 na yun.
50 na yun. Ang McDonald's.
50 na yung pahak.
Ito, kaon jabas, bay.
Jabas.
50 na yun.
Ambak dalbag bay.
Ambak billboard kumakakumatos. Kay Romeo ipapawa mo naman sa chante mo. Kuya kay skatanan. How are you doing right now? Are you very busy right now in your business?
Yeah, very getting busy because my mom is going outside. So
Where is-
out of town, bro.
Out
She went to Manila.
right now?
Yeah.
And my mom is just not here?
Yeah, tomorrow she'll come. She'll arrive tomorrow morning.
But why is it that she's in Manila right now?
No, she's just going to having vacation only.
In India?
Manila only.
Manila only. But why? Do you have relatives in Manila?
Yeah, there's lots of relatives in our Manila. That's why she went to Manila. Just spend the time.
That's good. And having a very good time there. That's very good. Ano ko no kay karang dikkat ko sa layo. What can you say of all of our friends in blog because they have been watching you in our new blog. This is what are you angry with me?
No, I'm not getting angry. I'm just only tired only, that's why.
Ah.
But now I'm really happy to see you again.
Yeah, that's
I
good.
miss my brother. I love you so much.
I love my brother. I love you so much. It's very good. Thank you very much because pagturo ko na karon kanila agbig pinalive. I-surprise na mo siya. Kana magkakaon sa diya. Hello PG. Hello PG.
Sumuka na oy.
Kamusta na ka?
Okay kayo ko.
May kansan sa kamusta na
Sabi
kaya?
na.
Pila to na itong mga kaupan diri. Ano pa-appeal mo diri dali yo. Kay para ma-appeal mo sa vlog. Ano siya si Gon? Si Mike Enriquez. Kamusta na ka? Ay. Si Ranante. Kamusta na ka Nante? Kamusta na ka? Ay kaulaw riya kay 안녕하세요. Ano, kamusta na ka? Okay ka? Okay kayo. Kamusta na mga koli mo? Ano, manay ka, kumusta na ka pare Koy? Kumusta na? Kumusta na mo? Okay kayo? Yan, 안녕하세요.
Ito ba na
Ano, kumusta ang Kandeng?
Okay kayo, bago kaon ng kandeng. Pagkaon na mo sagot.
Mix pista rin. Salamat kayo. Kamsa, sure dali rin.
Okay kayo.
Pakilala ang kaupan mo, pangalan niyo.
Kandeng kandeng
Ay, nagpuyo, ano po nila?
Ay, kabaw.
Ari kaling, wala kari.
Kabaw.
Ano mga kaling o mga kabaw? Kumusta na mo?
Okay na, wala kabayog na ongre.
Wala kang kabayog na ano. Siya yung mga nagkaling. Sama raw. Wow. Ang nami kau man diri Na mo na yung iring. Ang mo na mong kwaknet. Kamusta na ka kwaknet? Okay na ka. Okay na ka kwa. Kamusta na ka kwaknet? Okay na. Kamusta na ka kwaknet? Okay na ka? Mau na sila nag-storya nga namin sa Sing is King. At ito naman yung Sing is King restaurant kay lamig ka ng kaon rin Lamig kayo, okay kayo.